Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab E10 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, just open Settings and click on Connected Devices right away. Then tap on Bluetooth at the top and hit this gray switcher also at the top to activate it. Now tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now tap on Pair in the pop-up. And lastly, just wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, tap on this gear right next to your paired device and choose Forget at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!